What's up? It's Ella with another Ella Cam. Back at it again, showing this beautiful
Tell me with the two hands until then. Wonder what you think I like. Need me to get your bills paid. That's what you said. Well, guess I'm just too fake for that.
What's up, guys? I just want to let you know that we are finally in Bali. It's been like 5 days, but we're finally here. Wow, look at this. So beautiful. Oh, it's really nice. There's the living room. Oh my gosh. And there's the pool. Oh wow. Oh, I think this is where you get the massage. Maybe. Oh wow, yeah. I guess there is. I almost walked into that door, mommy. Wow. That's wonderful. Cheers. Cheers. We booked this gorgeous villa in Ubud. It had 4 bedrooms, a spacious living dining area, and our very own pool overlooking the rice fields.
Here in Bali at the beautiful rice fields, and one thing we found out is that a lot of the rice in Bali is being imported because a lot of these rice fields are actually being bought out by companies and building Airbnbs and things like that. So it's kind of ironic that that's happening. And this place right here that we're standing, one of the owners we just met, and he's actually not selling. So because of him not selling, we're able to have these beautiful shots and enjoy this place. Capitalism is everywhere in the world. You know, we're part of it. We're staying in Airbnb on the rice field, so we can't really complain, but we just want to let you know what's happening.
Okay, so this place is really, really beautiful, as you can see. A few things to know if you're coming here. One is that the side that we're on is a little bit less popular with tourists, but it's very popular with travel vloggers. Our photographer, Sonny, actually set things up so that as soon as we arrived, the sun was rising on this side, was kind of like peeking through the trees, and the lighting was just like absolutely gorgeous. Now, this particular area that we're shooting in does belong to one particular farmer, and so he does require a little bit of a fee to be able to shoot here, so that's something you should know. So definitely come with some cash. Also know that if you're coming to this rice terrace, you should definitely wear some walkable shoes. There's quite a bit of like trekking, walking upstairs, and sometimes it can be slippery. Not everything is super paved. Sometimes you've got a little bit of like slippery mud. So you definitely want to wear like, you know, hiking type of sandals or sneakers that are going to be really comfortable. You do not want to be doing this in flip-flops. Okay, don't swing your hair so hard that you fall down now. All right, so this part of the rice terrace is really cool. They have a bunch of different swings, and then they also have zip lining. You see that platform right there? And we're hoping that we can get some flying dresses. You guys ready for flying dresses? So ready. Right, so those are the different dress colors you can choose from. And we're going with blue for Sean. Ella doesn't want to do the flying dress, which is okay. Going with red. So she's gonna do her original outfit. This is the beautiful princess.
OMG.
How does that dress smell?
Like sweaty man pits.
Instagram versus reality. Okay, so they're getting the harness on. Since the swing goes up super, super high, as you can see, It's really almost like a thrill ride, so you need safety equipment.
You holding your breath and then you kuberan. Like this. Yeah, you kuberan.
Okay, now it's Ella's turn.
Open your hands. Yeah, good.
Woo! No hands. So that wasn't enough adventure for you guys.
No.
You gotta do zip lining now.
What is up, YouTube? Today we're gonna be ziplining, and Ella's going first. Ella, what do you have to say?
I'm scared.
She said she wanted to.
Her face says something different.
3, 2, 1, and let's
Woo!
go.
Yeah,
Open your hand.
I would not open my hands either.
3, 2, 1.
Woo! Go, Sonny! How do you feel?
Good. It wasn't even scary.
No?
Like, it didn't even feel that fast. Also, it was so pretty.
So, why are we at the supermarket?
Because you gotta buy food. Well, in a couple days, there's a festival called the Day of Silence. Everything shuts down for like 24 hours. So we're gonna buy a bunch of groceries and make sure we are all stocked up. This looks good. Blueberry juice. Never had it before. It's interesting.
Okay, so we are at the Tirta Empul, which is one of the most famous water temples here in Bali. And they're known for having this sort of water purification ritual that you get to participate in even as a tourist. So we're really excited to check it out. So these are our sarongs. Oh, and the locker key. Putting our stuff in. So we just got to the very famous monkey forest in Ubud, and this is a place where you're gonna find all kinds of cute little monkeys. Apparently they can be a little bit aggressive, so there are some safety rules that we have to abide by. All right, girls, so what are some of the safety rules with the first one?
You can't make eye contact with the monkeys.
Yes, no eye contact. And Sean, what's the other rule?
You can't, like, if they jump on you, you can be like, ah, and you can't touch them. Else you're gonna go, ah. Okay, so this is where you can pay to take a monkey selfie. And there's a special trick they use to make it look like the monkey is the one taking the selfie with your phone. So Sean, how did that feel when the monkey was on
so
you?
scary. So it was like, because when we were doing the selfie before, he was like chewing my hair and like dangling by it. And then,
He was like, ooh, vines.
then he went on my head. Just like, and he was like playing with my braids. He was like moving them. It's like, how did these attach? He was like chewing my hair. Also, you guys, those monkeys' paws were sticky.
Yeah, they really were.
Yeah.
Stinky or sticky?
Sticky. They were like
Oh.
big grip. They're like
Yeah.
a suction cup.
That's how they climb so well. Then it was the day of silence when all of Bali shuts down for the day. We had to stay indoors until sunrise the next day, so the girls had to find a creative way to entertain themselves.
Right now we're at Lake Beratan Temple, and this is a beautiful, beautiful temple. It was built in 1633, and it's basically built on Bali's second largest lake. So it feels really peaceful out here. This is actually pretty far up into the mountains. It was quite a drive from our villa in Ubud, but the air just feels so fresh up here. It's really beautiful. The water's sparkling. It just has a very different vibe. Definitely recommend coming here.
What the frick is up, YouTube? It's your girl, Young Money Sean. Sorry, bird just flew out of there. Young Money Sean, back at it again, posting another video. I wanted to show you guys a secret. There's a secret shower. A secret shower. Gorgeous. Also, there's like another villa over there. But anyway, I can't be too loud. I'm gonna scare the ducks. Anyways, you guys, we are going to dinner. That's why I look extra fabulous. I mean, I always look amazing, but I look extra good today. Make sure you guys follow me on everything. I forgot to blend my highlighter.
Okay, so one thing we haven't really done since we got to Bali is eat any like bougie food. So tonight we are actually gonna go to a little bougier type of restaurant, and I've heard great things about it online. Seems to have beautiful views of the rice terraces, so hoping it's good.
If bougie food is your thing, Bali has plenty to offer, but it also has a pretty incredible street food scene. And there's one absolutely delicious street food that is totally unique to Bali. So check out this video where I show you what it is and why it's a must try when you come to Bali.